Makeup is at 2.
Okay.
But then, no, but it's one. I don't know if it's one makeup artist or 2, because if it's one, lady must start. But then if it's 2, then we both in at the same time.
Okay, why must she start then?
Because I'm going to be taking my time.
So fuck lady's time.
Lady's sleeping now.
Yo, lady, by the way, buddy, fuck your time.
Lady is sleeping.
I don't know what you're going to say about that.
Lady is sleeping now already. I'm only going to probably sleep at 12:15. Because Tato's still going to come. We may be going to take more shots then. So I'm behind.
Oh, so it's
I'm
because,
at a disadvantage.
It's because you're trying to be irresponsible. Whereby lady right now, she went. Lady passed LO. She doesn't conform to peer pressure.
Oh, is this okay? You're not busy. I don't want to talk about. I don't want to talk.
That's all I'm going to say. But anyways,
Wow,
Sanbonani Bafetch.
Stop stealing my filter.
Winter.
Yes.
Bring it back, nigga.
No.
Back, nigga.
Fuck off. Stop it. Busy.
Winter, Mara, we in Durban. It doesn't look like it's winter. It doesn't feel like it's winter. Come on, I think you keep breezing. Try a backflip or something.
Like, look at this view. It looks like we're in Windows. You know Windows.
Yeah.
Ding. Yes. Like, it looks like Lady Past Ella. Imagine, like, Mr. Mayo. What's Mr. Mayo?
That's me.
What is that about?
I eat mayo and everything.
Really?
When I mint, when I kanda, when I stew, the whole thing. Guys,
That's a bit nasty if you think
mayo,
about it.
mayo bangs.
Mayo is like, it's egg.
Mayo is egg.
Yes, it's made of egg. But there's no need to have it with everything. It's I know. No.
They don't get it, but it's cool, man. I support peer pressure.
Exactly. Peer pressure said, get off that Don Julio, act a foolio. Bitch, I called your motherfucking phone. That's how you do me, ho. Bitch, don't let me find out you with a groupie, ho. You gonna be with Tupac when I come shoot up that studio, nigga.
Okay, Fifi Cooper.
Oh, what?
Well, mayo is gross. Mayo is delicious. Please. Please. Oh, you make the face take another shot.
Huh?
Yeah, that's how it works.
But you should have made the rule before.
Oh, no.
Okay, I can do it without making a face. Why didn't you come to Encanto's Fair? Wow, we actually did this game where...
I was there. Well, not Rockets, but like...
Yeah, Rockets. We did this thing where he ordered a bunch of shots and one of them had to be water. I thought it was the other way around where everyone had to drink water and one of them had to be real. Sure. But he ordered a bunch of shots, one of them had to be water. And then everyone had to take and everyone had to guess who had the water shot. Because obviously now someone was like faking a reaction. God. Guess who had the water shot? You. Me. And everyone believed that it was real. I was like...
Yeah, no, it was planned. So you're a liar. Basically, you're a liar.
Yeah, professionally.
A woman does lie.
Can I be y'all's friend, Claire? So beautiful early in the morning. Wow.
Good morning. Ooh.
Do you enjoy being on a reality show? It's okay. Mayo is nice. Can't have a dish without mayo. Yes, you can. I know someone who used to eat rice with mayo. My ex-stepsister used to...
What?
Huh?
Used to what?
Eat rice with mayo.
Like rice alone?
Like rice and then mix it with mayo.
Like alone?
Yes.
Like there's no gravy?
No, just rice mayo.
No, that's nasty.
Oh, but you said that mayo goes with everything.
Yeah, everything that has like my meat in it.
Let's play a drinking game, a shot for every person watching. But how do we know that you guys are going to take shots?
Exactly.
How do we know? What is the guarantee that you guys are going to take shots? Who drank the most so far?
It's giving. Who was interested first? Who said I love you first?
Who's more emotional? Who's the better cook? No, wait. Have I had the most to drink?
Yes.
Okay, so drink, dog.
Dog, I've been drinking, bro. I slept late last night because I was drinking. You were sleeping.
Yeah, but I'm saying either way, drink.
I just arrived.
I've never seen you drunk anyway, so drink.
I don't act drunk when I'm drunk. That's why.
So let's Shami and Percy link up. How?
How what?
It's a crossover. I mean, guys, we work together. You know that. Like.
I don't think they know that.
Oh, well, we work together.
Are you all dating? Look so good together. Hey, Bagzama, did you see that?
Percy, you're like 19 years old.
Skunk papel. Huh?
Okay. Oscar, never have I ever asked question. Let's go.
And then what? If you have, you take a shot or what?
Yes. Like,
Wait, how
never
does this
have
work?
I ever smashed a girl in Durban.
If I haven't,
You would take a shot.
Oh, if you have, you take a shot.
Yeah, I
Easy on
know.
Percy, dog.
He's a whore. He's a slut bag.
I might just be a hoe.
I might just be a hoe.
I just arrived. Ha. Hey, mother, for real.
You must tell me where I must lean the phone because you might. Oh, there's
Isn't she
still some.
arriving because of some shots?
What? Did you see what Tato just did?
Okay, first of all, I don't like being judged.
Tato,
All
I've
right,
seen you
fucking-
drunk. It's not good.
Oh my gosh, I was drunk that day. It was cold. The coldest day in Joburg.
It was
Tell me you
fucking
went down and you
freezing.
forgot the vape.
Never have I ever.
Ask me how I am.
Guys, they're saying never have I ever smashed a colleague. I personally haven't, Shem.
Colleague of not.
Colleague.
You
No.
drink. You drink.
I did.
You drink.
It was not smashing though. We were
Like-
starting some shit.
Ntogozo, get the fuck out my life and focus on work. Oh no,
It's a
it's
Sunday.
Sunday. Sorry.
We were praying or something.
Focus on work tomorrow. Never have I ever had an orgy.
I was
Actually,
in a
no.
throuple.
The rule is that we mustn't point each other out. Sorry.
I was in a throuple.
A throuple. Yes, you were in that throuple, and those guys were cute.
Kenzakalani kutrapula?
You fumbled. Drink.
Kenzakalani kutrapula? Nitre or
Ah, what? Tato better drink. Aya, what are you, mother guys?
Aya,
I
you're
will
not a
block
nice
everyone
person.
from work. And Aya, you owe me messages, information.
She said today she doesn't want to see any of us. So
Aya, you owe me a young keyboard click.
Shams, do you know a song? Yeah, Oliver Mtukudzi called Shamiso.
I've heard of it actually, but I haven't heard the
My
song.
favorite Oliver Mtukudzi song is Todi. No, what do you know about Todi?
Sensei, what shall we do?
Oh, is that his song?
Yes.
Okay. What shall we do? Never have I ever dated or smashed more than one person from the crew. One thing about
No,
me,
guys.
every guy I've been with, they don't know each other, they don't like each other,
Oh, from
they
the
are
crew.
separate. So no, I've
what
never
if-
loved the crew. Never.
What if it's
Never.
gays? Like all the gays know each other. So what now?
Technically, yeah, you guys do all know each other.
So is it a crew?
No, but friendship, like friendship.
Okay, yeah, I've never been like I've never
me-
run through a squad.
Nah,
no,
lady.
no. I've never
Do you
run.
know what I
I've never
mean?
run
Like
through a squad.
friendship.
Have you ever run through a squad?
I've never,
Bring that shot.
You've run through a squad. Oh my god.
How many of them,
Percy?
Percy?
Just two.
Oh my god, that's a lot. Not just
One
two.
too many.
Come on, guys. Don't make it seem like it's Boma. Like
Oh no,
four.
actually it was on the Asmajita episode.
Never have I ever fallen asleep while getting head.
No.
Never have I ever faked an orgasm. I'm a woman. Bring
Yeah,
it.
you have to do that.
I'm a
because,
woman.
Like, by tradition, you better.
Oh, woman is crazy.
And then what?
We could have at least brought a Red Bull, guys.
We fucked up.
Okay, yeah, no. Like I said, I'm a woman, so it has happened.
So, like, tell us about it. Like,
I mean, my
You feel-
Every woman has faked an orgasm because you niggas all think you can fuck. That's the problem.
but why are you
never
faking
said
it? Why
that.
can't you be real about it, though?
I don't know. I don't want to
Okay.
hurt someone's feelings and say ish.
Alright, Dile, we've done the threesome one.
Threesome. No, they said orgy. Have you been in a threesome?
I have.
2 dudes or 2 girls?
No, 2 girls. King, why is that a surprise to you, dog? Like, I don't get
You're
it.
just a slut. Never have I ever said the wrong name during sex. No.
I've thought of the
I'm
other
not
person
I'm
during
not
sex.
an idiot.
Okay, never have I
Wanted
ever...
my partner's friend.
Hey, leave Percy alone. What the fuck is going on?
Wanted my partner's friend, guys.
My partner's friend. I'm gay. So...
Are you...
it's gay culture, please.
Oh, okay. Not a never have I ever, but how's Percy affiliated with the MTV family? He's literally a producer, guys.
I'll be back, no? Sipo, I forgot.
Vape.
Oh shit, I forgot about that. Wait, hold on. Wait, never cool.
That thing is personal.
Never have I ever cried while doing it. Ugh.
You have, Shameless.
Did you cry tears?
I've cried
I'm
during
embarrassed.
sex.
You cried wolf.
Not wolf. Real tears.
But, like, why are you crying? Is it that good that you want to cry?
Sometimes the orgasm is just so overwhelming that you get emotional.
Is it a good or bad thing? Because now, as a
It's
guy...
good. Oh,
as a
but you're
guy-
like, are you good? Are you okay?
Are you okay? Like,
Are you
it's
okay? I have, but he worked so much harder when I called him the wrong name. Love him. Sis! How can you do that, Sandy? Never have I ever gotten intimate with more than one person in a day. I'm sure you have.
fine. No, I haven't.
You've never fucked 2 girls in one day.
One fuck per day.
Okay, fair. Doctor's orders.
One
fuck a day keeps the doctors away.
Yes.
Stayed in a relationship just for vibes. Yo. Aish, never ever broke another person's heart in high school. High school, me.
High school, guys,
I was a
come on.
heartbreaker. Shame.
real?
If you were dating me in high school, it ain't safe.
So those
you should have
Brighton boys are
known.
going through it.
I wasn't dating Bryanson boys. Are you fucking crazy?
Which
I
niggas were you
I was
dating
not
then?
dating here and my peers.
And you were breaking their hearts.
I was hurting. I was hurting everybody.
Dog, imagine you in high school, né? I mean, imagine you like
And then
down
you
with
see
school,
me.
and then a girl from high school breaks your heart. Yo, Nkaluma textbook. I never.
Kaluma varsity book.
Oh, no ways, bro.
No, high school I used to break hearts, guys. I literally I was a savage. Shame. And I would look in your face and say, how?
So
Are you
would
gonna
do it
believe
on
your own
purpose?
eyes or me? Like,
So you do it on purpose, basically.
it wasn't on purpose. Why are you also committing to a teenager?
Okay,
It's like that
fair
would be
point.
like someone like committing to you. You know what I mean?
Fuck you, dog. Hey, let's go. That's me feel over here. Hey,
This,
I had a
no,
friend's
you-
partner crush on you.
A friend's partner.
I'm sure that's happened to you before.
I've had friends where their niggas are like overly friendly, and there's moments in the corner where he'll say something to me and it's like he's with my friend, but I don't know if it was a crush. So I remember that time you took someone else to your matric dance and your high school boyfriend found out or something like those. First of all, no, in high school I had a boyfriend that I was dating.
At school.
No,
Outside
a
of
real boyfriend. But he was 2 years older in another school.
Yeah.
But he was older than me. Then I had a school boyfriend. And then the school boyfriend asked me to spring ball or whatever that grade 10, 11
Yeah.
dance is. So I was like, no, Ish, I have to go with this guy because my friend is going with his friend, and the guy will only, basically I made it sound like my friend has a date, but her date will only come if his friend can come. So I have to go with his friend. So I said that. So cool, now I come with my actual boyfriend to the thing, and then one of the people that is there at my school was like, how, you dating Shamiso? She's dating this cat in her grade.
Everybody
You know what I mean?
complain,
Yo, I went to the guy. I said, Chief, if my date asks you if we dating, I'll explain later. If my date asks you if anything's ever happened between us, say no.
Yo,
And he was just like, okay, I don't know.
Dog, you the man. You him.
Himothy.
Mosaka.
Yo, guys, no, I'm sorry. But like I said, I was 16, guys. Like, never ever been a sneaky link to someone. No, the Viking down bad. Lord, it wasn't the Viking, asshole. I know who you're talking about. That piece here. They call me Percy as fuck.
They call him Percy as fuck.
They call me Percy
Yes,
as
fuck. There's a cadence to it. You don't just
Oh, you have to say as fuck.
no, as fuck.
Oh,
it's
Percy
not
as fuck.
They call him Percy as fuck. Exactly. Banyana ke ma 666 and alright, this is. Or ke Banyana ke ma 666. One o tshwara sefapano so. I want nothing to do with women.
You're biting with us, but no
Banyana ke
man.
ma
Nah.
666.
Touch, I don't think a woman would cheat on you, honestly. If you dated a dolly.
What? Oh,
I
they
don't
so
think-
would.
I don't think she'd cheat
I feel
on
like
you.
she would.
They would, bro.
They
But
so
Tata
would.
doesn't even know how to hold a woman with
What?
with you know, like
I will hold
Soiree,
you
man.
fucking get as far away, not you. And
Look
like,
at how
fucking-
gentle this grip is. Like, what the fuck? I mean,
You're being gripped. You're gripping.
I'm getting no.
16
Shut up.
out, you're breaking hearts. Wow. No, honestly. What's your P.O. box? I'm trying to send my heart. You're a cheso. How did you know you buy the? I just started feeling somewhere in my cooter towards women.
I get that.
Like, Shamiso, wait till I get my money right. I love when niggas say this. I love when niggas say that, like, one day when I'm rich, I'll
Ugly
achieve
young
you. Because
boy.
that means you know that you can't come to me.
But there's something I need
Poor.
to address, right? When a ugly young boy underscore Larado, are you saying you are ugly young, or is it one of those things where you're pretty but you call yourself ugly for vibes?
Yeah, are you ugly or are you
Do you know what I mean?
Puked on someone while giving head.
I was close to, but you see, me, I'm a G. You understand? Me, I'm a G.
was my
Charge it to the
birthday,
fucking
like-
game, nigga.
Have you ever smashed an American?
No. Oh my gosh, why are you running the fucking blog, nigga? The fuck? Alright. I'm just drinking for vibes now.
You were in America.
No.
Oh.
I said I'm drinking for vibes.
Tato, what's your body count, honestly? And Percy.
In real life.
You can't ask a woman that, so I'm going to ask you guys that. They know why they're asking the Shami spilt at Sun City. I mean, come on, guys.
Was it in Sun City?
I don't know.
Yo, the detail for me.
Mm-hmm.
It's the detail for me.
It's my birthday. That's an excuse. I'm just saying I was that drunk. It was my birthday, and the head still went up. So now what?
Why? Because you didn't stop?
Yeah, and you know, don't say the vomit. That's so crass.
Why would you swallow the vomit?
Say the throw up, like the chanda.
Oh, what? There's
Use better words, like, you know.
I don't want to talk about it, actually, to be quite honest with you.
Tato, let's talk about your biggest heartbreak.
Aye.
That story was too much.
It's now. It's happening
That
like
story
as
had
we
me
speak.
gagged.
Oh, no, I'm gagging. What do you mean?
That's okay. What?
You're a very fine one to walk away with my vape, hey?
Hey, Shabby, please stop telling me to stream your music. I'm probably not gonna do it, to be honest. Take it to the head. Yeah. Don't think about it, be mad.
Wearing people, because generally that's what I always see.
Oh, you look like you in
The prison.
in Benjamin Button. Oh, the boy with the striped pajamas.
So cute, man. Fuck.
They call me Percy ASF as fuck.
They say, Shamiso, what's your biggest heartbreak? Do you really
That
want to
nigga's
know?
never broken my heart. Are you mad?
Do you really want to know?
Third guy resembles Dr. Matthew so much.
Yes, I'm being... Guys,
I'm leaving this fucking life.
Guys, get Dr. Matthew. It's him.
Bring it up.
Yo, motherfuckers.
Because
You're
it's
trying
been
to
a while
start me.
since that
No,
scandal, and
you're
you
trying to
forgot
start
to
me.
remind
No.
you every day.
You're trying to start me. I'm
They
not in
look
the mood.
exactly
I'm
alike.
not in the
But
fucking
But Tato is
mood,
the
dog.
prettier
Take a shot
version.
for looking
I'm
like
not in
Dr.
the mood.
Matthew.
Like,
No, I'm not in the mood.
like Tato
No.
is an illusion.
And also,
because
my
he looks
thing is-
17, 22, and 27 at the same time.
Thank you.
But what's the
She's
real
alright.
one? What is the real one?
It's everyone. I'm every age.
Have you watched Game of Thrones?
No, I don't like that sort of
I'm
thing.
gonna say you remind me of that guy with the no-face god where he's like, I'm no one. Like,
know.
I'm no one.
Well, I mean, yeah, I don't get the context, but I believe him.
If you could have a baby with anyone right now, who would it be, yo?
Let's not talk about babies. We are young, hot girls in the
Don't tell
city.
my
I
thing.
would die, guys. I would die if I was pregnant. I would cry for 40 days, 40 nights, and 40 weeks of that
I'll
pregnancy.
couple you to the stops, I promise.
Like,
Dr. Matthew, yeah, short, guys. And it's in short, yeah, like medicine or anything. Short, yeah,
can we stop calling him doctor also?
No, but
We can't give him that. I'm sorry. We have to just call him Matthew.
He invented
Mateo.
being a dog. He made it like he made it up. What do you mean?
Do you guys watch Bridgerton?
Fucking
No. Why did you flip the table on TV? You love drama. Okay. Stop asking me to stream your bitch ass music. Telling me I love drama. Stop fucking asking people to fucking stream your music. At least I fucking have drama. Do you know what I mean? As in, I'm on TV, you're on live asking me to stream your music. So don't fucking talk about where people should be flipping tables. At least I have the platform to shut up.
No, use Toto's laptop.
Sorry, that was uncalled for.
They need a VPN to upload this. Okay,
I would cry if the nigga I'm seeing puts a baby in me. In fact, don't drink vinegar and mix it with spirits. Dude, like, there's no way. There's no way. A child. A
What
child. Nah, I can't.
Do they want you to get pregnant?
Yes, Tato. We might have to.
Guys, imagine me and Shamiso having a baby. Ah, you're playing. The baddest bitch in the block,
Can you
dog.
guarantee me blonde eyebrows?
I mean,
for
I
the
was
child?
born like this.
Yes,
so
you're a natural blonde.
get into it.
Exactly.
Son.
Guys, this backdrop literally looks like we're shooting green screen.
Yes. I love it so much.
when the
Where's
sky
Seth?
is
He
so
left.
blue.
Ooh.
So blue.
I like to see my mom's face bringing Shali's
You guys
home.
flies in
Yeah,
for-
why don't you swim, Percy? It's gonna deal with your hangover.
Still, I'm hanging.
You said, oh, I don't want to drink. I've been out. What?
I don't want to say it on the live.
What?
Somebody said something. No. Don't end the live. Don't end the live. Mute the live. The microphone is up there.
Okay. How do I mute?
Reactions.
That would be
No,
dope.
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Like, I think it's a vibe.
Why? Because people on Twitter always tweet about I would love to
But my
bring
mom-
this gangster home to my mouth.
Why does she have all
They're
of these
always
things?
calling me a para.
Yeah,
and
you like
shit
you look like you
that.
fucking do fucking ski. What is ski?
Say, Ixi, Mamzo, Mom Dukes. Tata looks like he gives long strokes too. I doubt. Not for the dollies. How?
Gag.
Not for the dollies. Also, you're a bottom, aren't you?
Also, nigga, ask about who said that?
No, I don't know.
Ooh, Kanye, you cooking? Vinja.
Shamiso, I know you have bad eyesight, but are you seeing anyone?
Hey, yeah.
Gag me one more time, Vinga. Gag me one more time. What do you mean?
Oh, you're paying a dog.
Ah, he's cooking.
He's
How you
cooking. Let him
paying?
cook. Let him cook.
Yeah, let him cook like a pig.
Back to Never Have I Ever, because I'm trying to get to know these motherfuckers more.
Which ones?
You and him.
What do you mean you want to get
You
to
and
know
him
me
and
more?
me.
What
What do I not know about you, actually, Tato?
do you know that I'm very boring? As
What
a
is
kid?
your body count?
Hi, Tabo.
Percy, what is your body
Also-
count?
I don't know.
I'm with Shamiso and Barkilang Place. We at the
Like, is it less than 20?
Probably.
You lying?
Guys, I'll sharp mina.
I'll take grand.
Anginayiningi mina. Ngihleka na wonke umuntu ohleka nami.
Okay, hold
Are you
on. just
serious?
Stand by.
Swati.
Shami,
Yeah?
Percy. Yes, Tabo, go.
Masamba, samba, 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 samba,
I
samba.
think it's okay. Please call lady and try to confirm, but I think we're down.
Do you date girls? Yes. I love the dollies. I might steal your dolly and your dolly.
Never, not mine.
Okay, bring her to me.
I
Let's
don't think
see.
you're breaking. Should I call
Let's
her?
see.
So what, do you think you have game or...
I have mad game when it comes to the honeys. Me.
Fit.
I'm untouchable.
I'm choosy dog.
When it comes to the honeys, I'm
Bring
untouchable.
all your
Yeah,
riz,
is it
nigga.
Bring your best eaters.
You can even practice
I'll,
the
I'll,
day
I'll
before.
Okay, but I mean, either way, we can always screenshot the right receipt.
Hi, as I was
What is that
saying.
word for change? Convert them.
What do you want to say? Revolute them.
Confirm. Have you ever looked at Sejo cooking that way? No, man. Thank you. Wouldn't mind if you stole me, Nasham. Honestly, come to me. Don't ask dumb shit. Don't ask cock.
Who's saying what now?
I don't mind sharing you with my hand. Let's go.
Hey, nah, ngomunye.
No,
Nah,
fuck
ngomunye.
you, Caddy.
Caddy, actually, fuck you. When actually, fuck you. I've decided that I'm done.
you.
I have had it. I've absolutely had it. You know what? It's been great.
Guys, stop-
no,
stop coming
it's
for
been
Caddy.
great. No. It's been great.
Caddy left me yesterday. He said hi and then he disappeared. I'm like,
It's been.
Jiva.
He was drinking at fucking Tigers, dog.
No, Caddy.
As if Caddy alone.
Caddy,
No,
you
he's-
don't
Caddy,
you don't
damn.
respect any
It's
person
like, no,
here.
let him fight for himself. Add him to the... Fight for your life, brother.
No, he's acting weird. Hey, Katie, why are you?
accepted.
You see, Katie's condescending. This I know. This methodology, I've seen it before. This.
Caddy, here he is.
Where are you?
I'm at my hotel.
Ooh, fancy. I'm at my hotel. Ooh, nice. Okay.
Come
How?
see
What was I
about
supposed to
us.
say? When I Shamiso, yesterday you left me when
I
you said we
didn't
were gonna
leave
party.
you, Caddy.
I
You
called you.
greeted me while I was on a phone call, and then you fucking walk away, and I don't see you
Us,
again.
us. I came back. I came back.
But I
How
had
did you know I knew?
to go to a Heineken thing that I was doing. I wasn't
Yes.
there
No, I came
anymore.
back. I came back during the day at Durban, July to come check up on you guys. You guys were never there. They told me that you had left for a Heineken event. I came
Yeah, I
like
was
probably three
working.
Did you
times.
check up on me
I
though?
came
Did you
three
check up
times.
on me? Did you check up on me? Not once, Caddy. Did you say, hey, Tato, where are you?
Caddy, send
Hey,
us money.
Tato, like, what's the
Tato,
vibes?
you were
Like, Tato, do
busy.
you
In my
wanna?
head, I was like,
Okay, that's true.
I said you were
I was
busy.
busy.
I thought you were
I
busy.
was busy.
Okay, Caddy, send us money.
Champagne money. We need champagne allowance.
Champagne allowance, as lady
Aren't
says.
we going?
Champagne allowance.
Are we not going to the All Black party?
Wait, not the billionaires one. The billionaires something.
That's the one I'm emceeing.
Oh.
Tato and them are gonna be busy, but if you wanna get with the winning team, ho, let's go. Have you have Caddy to go with
Yeah,
you?
I'm
I'm
not
gonna
shooting
touch
with
base.
Shamiso. I'm not shooting with Shamiso. I'm shooting with the lady. So you guys can hang out.
Yeah, I'm gonna be at the All Black party.
I bet.
Guys, we're
Wait,
doing
it's all black.
Shamiso, let me know when
Guys,
you're
I need to
going
go to
there.
the mall.
What time?
Okay, I need to find out from Aya, but I will tell you. But
Okay.
Caddy, what about the money? How? Mongi, you
No,
know.
Shamiso.
he did that. He did that deliberately. Wena.
Yeah, you
You
took a
did
sip
that
from the Mongi.
deliberately.
I have to bet on my store here in Devon.
That's what I said. Leave this fucking nigga alone. When I kid, I want nothing to do with you. I don't want to talk to you ever again. Get that easy away. No joke. Log. Log. And even when you see me, you must not talk to me and don't even look in my direction because I'm
Don't
gonna
be too
mice.
emotional, Tato. Don't be too emotional. How Tato? What's
No,
going
no,
on
no, no.
with
You
you?
hate me, dog. You
Caddy,
hate
the
me.
only struggle you have really that you can rely on is me.
Of
Ngumela
course, that's
something.
why I'm gonna be with you today.
Ngumela
That's why I'm gonna be with you today.
something. Send money, Caddy, come now.
I'll buy you bottles in the club.
I'm your colleague in 2 places and you never take care of me. Come, come, come.
I'm
No,
gonna
let's get
yes,
real.
I'll buy bottles for you today.
Did you guys drink Taxi Chela Pot 2 yesterday?
No, listen, guys. We can't make people watch a FaceTime. So either you take a drink when we
Never
play
have I
Never Have
ever.
I Ever. So you're gonna drink. Ask us questions, guys, because honestly we're on a FaceTime now and everyone's just watching
Yeah,
us talk
it's not
about other
cute.
things. Ask us questions, guys. 3 Never Have I Evers that you've ever wanted to ask. We've got Fresh by Caddy in the building, the
Po, po, po,
freshest
po.
prince of
Po, po, po,
radio.
po.
TV,
Wake it
the
up!
chocolate.
Wake it up!
Yeah. Fresh Prince of Niger. Oh,
Shoo!
wow.
No, man, Prince is from Tembisa. I
However.
mean,
Oh.
Caddy's from Tembisa.
Percy, Percy, what time did you leave
No,
yesterday?
Caddy.
Yo, but my like approximately around about 4.
Guys, I said we're not doing a FaceTime call.
All right,
Okay,
we're waiting for questions. Never have I ever.
never have I ever. Okay, never have I ever been with someone and then seen one of their friends and been like, fuck, I picked the wrong person in the squad.
Samba.
I only asked
Oh
because I've never
gosh,
done
we live
that.
in regrets. Oh my gosh, I
So
hate
you
that
saw
for
her
you.
friends and you said, no, man,
Yo,
these hands are better than you.
guys, before you wanna build someone, make sure you know all
Never
their
have I
friends.
ever stole
You can
candy at a
ask.
shop. So I have a problem.
I
I
used
think I'm a
to.
bit of a kleptomaniac.
Tato, you
So
weird, and I knew you'd have.
I stole Vaseline from like Pick and Pay, but I could afford it. I was just stealing it for the thrill.
No, me and my cousin would
Like
just
just
steal sweets from the garage and we put them in our Uggs. We'd
what do
wear
you
Uggs
mean?
on purpose and
And then
just
just
shove everything into the Uggs and then buy like 2 items. But we were in
uh
primary school.
get it together.
Never have I ever been ever 2 hands niggas. What? Never
Never
have
have I ever been with two hands. I'm seeing
niggas.
in one location.
What do you mean? My house is one location.
Actually, I need to
I said
drink.
it's
I
not
need
a
to.
fair question because it's like obviously if you're seeing multiple people, you're gonna see them at your
That
house.
has definitely happened.
Do you know what I mean?
Caddy's too quiet. Caddy.
Caddy in, ma.
Caddy's a
Hey, not
60.
that.
What's a 1632 kid?
Caddy, the point is that you're not drinking.
I'm drinking. I drank now.
I absolutely did not see
I didn't
that.
see that. I won't lie.
How ask
VAR,
the
show
people.
us.
Didn't I drink?
Well,
Didn't I drink? I did drink
the
just now.
people didn't see anything.
I
I'm the people. I
did
was
just now.
watching.
Did it.
I did. I promise
How
you,
did
I
you do
did.
it? Let me see. Gesture. Do a gesture. Let's see how you did it. Let me
This
see.
means the same location at the same time. That's a threesome. What do you mean
No.
same time?
No. Like, say, for example, you have two niggas, and then the two niggas are both at the same place with you.
Oh, like at a groove, and then your
Yeah.
2 niggas are there.
Yeah.
No, I've never had more than one nigga at one time. You know, faith
I
in
drank,
Christ.
so we're inside.
I also drank.
I didn't see you. You should drink
I
now.
drank.
I
Yes,
Caddy
right now I drank.
knows.
The thing about you, Kat, is that people need to know
Watch
that
me
you're a
drink.
scam artist.
Watch me drink.
We're watching.
Shamis, have you ever dated a stud? I know studs aren't my type. I like feminine girls.
Shamisa wants to date herself, guys.
Never have I ever creeped an ex on social media. What do you mean creeped? Like watched them?
Like, wait, where are you reading? Also, my eyes
Never
are
have I
shit.
ever left an ex feeling suicidal after a breakup.
Yo,
Never have I
next.
ever. Never have I ever had
In a
sex in a public place.
public place inside.
Okay,
So we
guys. Let
drink
me.
if we've
You
done
have
it.
to
Like,
not leave like that
Oh
bottle.
shit, there's nothing in here. I have to drink this.
Luckily, we got 2
Guys, I
tequilas.
was at a Specsavers. This guy was closing shop, and he said hi.
Wait, what?
It was at a mall, and the fuck, I was like the things. It happens. Oh my gosh, Jesus Christ.
We're in the mall, so you know where not to go to.
Wait, what?
4 is more.
So you smashed at Specsavers?
I thought Thomas was room.
Hello.
no ways, Tato.
Candy
Yes,
is
man,
so
buy
shady.
your one,
You know what I mean? Like, Never ever child hunts niggas from every SADC country. Name all countries if you hear. What?
What's SADC? Like it's Botswana, Mozambique, Zimbabwe.
SADC, so South Africa, Angola, Democratic of Congo.
I think you're wrong.
Wait, I think you are
I
wrong.
think you're very
What
wrong.
kind of question is that? Like,
I think you're
Never have
wrong.
I ever posted a jab to someone's status instead of confronting
status
them.
instead of confronting them.
Oh,
I'm very confrontational. You're gonna get this work, sweetie.
I'm sorry. I'm very
I
passive
promise
aggressive.
You're gonna feel it,
I am
sweetie.
very passive aggressive. I have.
Like, Specsavers. What the hell? Your eyes have seen enough. Truly.
First of all, I will not be judged on a live. Not
No,
by
but
the
no,
lives.
wait. What happened? So you said hi, babe, and he said, "Oh, I'm closing. Come fuck."
In not so many
Inside.
ways, yes. Yes, but the optometrist room, like the, you know where you get your eyes and they do the tests.
So you met him like right there or what?
Ah, it was a grinder hookup.
Why were he? Why were you going through his work?
Bro.
I was at the mall.
Okay.
Kitty fantasy what?
Never have I ever stalked an ex. No. Tattoos of out on his.
Alright.
Never have I ever stole a
I've
hunt
stopped
or
an
a nigga
ex.
from a friend.
I've stopped an
No.
Nah.
ex. I've stopped
Angola,
an ex today.
Botswana, Comoros. Comoros, yeah.
Yeah, I drank for that one because I know my problems.
Yeah.
Come on, Ross.
Caddy Whitey, my friend in CPT, has the biggest crush on you since you hugged them at Sook.
Well,
Oh,
tell them
wow.
to stand on fucking business and shoot their shots.
Shoot your shot. Sent a nude or spicy text to the wrong person. Percy, I'm sure you have.
Never have I ever eaten as.
No.
I have.
No. Yesterday, who's
Sorry, I want to talk about it. Actually, let's drink.
Tato, you didn't tell me.
No, because
Is Caddy even drinking at all at any point?
I
Teddy,
drank
you were
now,
supposed to
guys.
drink for this one,
I
for
drank.
this
I drank.
prompt. Hmm.
If ever catfish someone, doesn't use someone else's pictures. Absolutely not.
No, I mean
Imagine that's
I'm
so
very hot. I don't need
childish.
that shit.
Exactly.
I don't need that shit.
Never have I ever slipped into someone's DMs.
What do you mean? We've all
I
done that.
have. What do you
You want us
mean?
to drink, dog, and we're drinking straight from the like head.
I don't know what I said.
Percy's right here. Somebody's looking for Percy. Percy, step into frame, please.
What's in Zen?
That's why they call him Percy as fuck.
But see, they ball and
But
I
never
couldn't
have I
tell.
ever rejected them. They came back.
They all come back.
They will come back.
Caddy just drank his margarita. I won't lie, maybe we're accusing Caddy and we're not actually watching.
Yeah, you're
You
right.
guys
Teddy's
are
gonna
not
think we
Never
watching.
hate
have
him.
I ever left mid-date. No.
No.
Never have I ever dated someone in the industry. Oh, jeez.
What industry?
I need a Red Bull. Fuck, man.
What industry? What in?
It depends who
What
that though.
industry?
Because we like
Textile?
saying things like industry.
Agricultural?
Now we talk about medical industry, the
Medical?
finance industry,
Percy
the
is so
tech industry.
scrumptious. Oh, Percy, come, come.
Yes,
And he's single, guys. DM him. Never have I
I don't
ever
want to
died
smoke
and danced.
that.
Oh my
Nah,
god.
we don't do that.
Caddy, you're sipping and not drinking. Start drinking. Thank you.
Exactly.
scamming us.
Wake it up.
We're busy drinking shots, bro.
Wake it up.
I'll be misreading my shit. Either it's alcohol or maybe I'm the problem.
Felicia, it happens
It
sometimes.
happens. Like,
Fairly hard.
I'm just feeling fake. Like, did they call you that at home growing up? But doing entertainment, smarty pants, no.
No, I don't date people in my spun. I don't do that shit.
Like my food
Never
touching.
ever had
Guys, I'm gonna enter an elevator. I'm gonna come back. It's gonna glitch, so I'm
Yeah.
gonna log out and come back.
Wait, Teddy, are you coming to lunch with us?
Don't say where though.
No, I'm just asking.
Huh?
This nigga left.
Never have I ever kissed Shamiso. No one has
No one
fucking
has ever
kissed me.
fucking kissed him, Mizo.
I'm tired of what teachers.
No, we are gonna have a baby. Oh my gosh.
We need to start with that.
I told no, absolutely not. I told you how it's
How
gonna work.
old is Percy?
You see now people think I'm 19 because of you. Yeah.
No, man, Percy's like 20.
Percy's like honestly like 19 and a half.
I'm not 20. You guys think I'm a baby. What's your problem?
Aren't you a baby
20,
though?
You're 22.
3, 2, 3. 2 turning 3. I'm
You're
22.
22.
December doesn't
Turning
count.
December counts.
No,
bro.
because December's like the next,
Next
year.
year. So you're 22 this year. Because you're 22 for the whole year. Do you realize
Yes.
that? Not at any point this year you're going to be 23.
But when we conclude the year, I'm going to be 23. So what does that mean?
Your 23
No,
starts in
in
December,
December.
meaning that
That's
your year is
next
next
year.
year.
Oh,
Read the book Outliers. I'm telling you.
fuck, man.
Percy, I'm still waiting for the Machita video. It's Sunday.
Come on. Sundays for the cheetahs. It's coming out.
When? Never have I ever regret. It's
A
real.
body
Getting
med- Bro, this happened not so long.
Sure. Hey.
These things happen.
Never have I ever been in a fight. Tell the story. I was actually talking to Tando at work the other day, and I was like, "Are you still dating that fucking trifling ass bitch that I fought with at the Meek Mill concert?" He's like, "Yeah, that's my."
Oh shit. Oh shit.
We fought
Physically, like as
we
in
were on the
touching
floor.
hands.
The guy I was dating at the time was holding my
Shamiso,
wig
you're
down.
not a normal
He said no.
person.
He said no. A black girl cannot be ashamed in public like this.
Oh no,
He held my
honey.
wig down. I said, "You real, you real."
You
But
should not have done that.
that's yeah. Did you guys sleep or see la ubusha? What is see ubusha?
Guys, let me tell you something. Nugget ha melody, and they say go Mzansi, future ke dilo tsa makgowa. We don't sleep. Re konka bokamoso.
I slept. I slept at 10.
I don't sleep.
I
I didn't
slept.
sleep. Wait, I was
Never have I ever gone on a blind date.
I don't do that shit.
I wouldn't trust anyone to tell me this guy's your type.
Caddy, somebody wants to book you for their birthday.
Okay, they can book me. Ubando.
No, they must talk to
Talk to me.
Vans. No. Where's
Give me
Vans?
10%.
Where's Vans? We're along. What's going on here? On the live.
Team Money.
Team Money in the building. Po, 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 po. Wake it up. Wake it up. Wake it up.
Welcome
to my TikTok.
What do you post on TikTok?
Do you have a TikTok?
Oh, I was gonna say. I can't imagine.
Daddy, how are you?
Dance challenge.
Yo, enjoy.
I'm good. How are
Never
you?
have I ever deleted a post because it didn't get enough likes.
Oh no, I don't give a fuck.
No one cares about likes anymore.
I don't give a fuck.
Surely. Surely.
Tango figure grand is all. He's glitching. Look
See a
at him.
friend in Tuana.
Your voice, boy.
Guys, do not do this FaceTime shit. I told you. We playing Never Have I Ever. Never have
Yeah,
I ever
had a threesome.
had a threesome. Slept with more than one girl in one day. Like someone, a girl you with.
If you have.
Drink, cups, whatever it is.
Inside.
Cheers.
Inside.
Never have I ever gone on a date with someone from Tinder, Hinge.
What do you mean? I don't do fucking Tinder.
You do apps.
Grinder's not Tinder. Wait.
You do the apps.
I've never done a date from Grinder.
You've done the apps. You love the apps.
I've
The
never
apps
done a
love
date.
you.
It was never a date.
It's something.
Hey, it doesn't count. Never have I stolen something from work. What is stolen? Like a pencil?
What's something from work? Because I've taken the tape one time. I won't lie. I've taken gaffer tape.
I've taken clamps.
Last night at the Heineken thing.
Yeah.
Oh, Jerome has it. I took there was this foil thing. It's just a
Oh, that's
foil
us.
thing. It's like like a spring.
Like a slinky.
Yeah, but covered in foil.
Yeah.
I said I need it. I need it.
Hectic. Where's Caddy?
Let's swim.
Never have I ever. Oh God.
Hey,
You.
It's a tequila.
hey, relax.
Never have
Guys,
I
I need
ever
to
had
go
a
sleep.
secret crush on a friend's partner. Y'all are not real
Nah,
friends.
you guys are not real people. Also.
Don't lie, you have. Hey, Nina.
Honestly, we're
Who
not
you
dogs.
talking to?
For me, the minute my friend dates a guy, it's
Like,
like
it's
he
off
doesn't,
limits,
he's not
yes.
even a man anymore.
It's
He's
gross
just a pile
now.
of dust. I can't even hug him properly. I'm like, hi. You know what I
It's a
mean?
dab. It's a dab.
Yes.
That was painful.
Never have I ever
Won a toy during date night. Y'all
As in
niggas
the one
are
you put
freaky
out
ass
and then
niggas,
the
like a
guy
fucking
remotely stores
roses.
it. I want that. Rose
Oh shit,
Rose
I need
toy
to
is dope.
give you that.
Oh,
And then I need to like control it. And be like,
why me and you? We can't smash.
Tato,
But you guys
guys,
focusing
I'm
on
also
that.
drunk. Oh god. Yes, you are. I need to go sleep. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm calling it a night.
We're gonna go now. But it's been so fun. Thanks for holding it down with your faves in the game. The most fun people on earth. We're all gonna take one more shot.
I just arrived. He just
He
arrived.
just arrived. This background is
It's
unbelievable.
beautiful. My god, that blue.
Okay, take a screenshot of us quickly, guys.
Can someone take a screenshot? And then say when you've taken the screenshot.
I suppose.
Okay, we did it. We did it. We did it.
Never ever been I had a friend act funny around my partner. They visibly liked him. I had a family member do that shit.
That's crazy.
And she had to
We are closing this live.
That's insane.
Please.
anyway.
Ending.
Love you.